Okay, Vaughn, I'm heading out. We're gonna go. Lady, sit. Stay. Good, stay. Bye, lady.
Come on, lazy bones. Should we make the bed? Huh? Should we make the bed? Are you gonna stay in it while I make it? Sometimes you like to stay in it when I make it, don't you? Don't you? She's like, I'll make myself cozy over here while you do that side. Come on. Come here. You can sit on Daddy's pillow. See, no, she's like, no, but I want the blankets. I can't make the bed if you're on it. Come here. Come on. We gotta get down. Come on. You gotta get down. Does anyone else just make their bed one side at a time? Ugh, so you don't have to walk around it near as much. You want to climb up here? I'm almost done. Make a little lunch. I'm gonna cut some tomatoes because that's what we've got in the fridge. Oh, I was hoping I'm gonna drop something, huh, sweetie? Have you assumed your position while I make lunch? Sometimes I feel guilty and I let her have a few crumbs. Chop up an egg, hard-boiled egg, a little avocado, salt and pepper. Make Daddy a bowl too for when he gets home. Let's find him a bowl. Should we save the last hard-boiled egg for Olivia? She's the only child that likes them. Ooh, did I drop something? It's because the egg is crumbly. Perfect avocado. Couldn't ask for anything better. You can come up here. Come on. Come. Come on. You can do it. You are being lazy. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Down. Down. Right here. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. There's room for both of our hips. Is this the calm before the storm, huh? I think so. Kids will be home from school soon. Dad is still out at the property. It's just me and you. And I am loving these quiet days. Okay, well, I was meaning to pet you, not tease you with my spoon. I'm sorry. Is that Daddy? Is Daddy home? Or is it the mailman? Personally, I hope it's the mailman, okay? Ooh, it is the mailman. Let's go see. You are so excited. You are too excited. The mailman did come. Woo! Have a good mail day.
Woo! 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and
Cody,
Yes.
are you kidding me?
give me a second.
You got some Skittles?
That's not it, and
Chunky grape.
And
11.
that's it.
Cody, that's awesome. Is that all from one person?
Oh, I bought these things. I traded most of my stuff.
Cody,
for
can
it.
I have just one chip right now?
You could share.
Fine. You and Boston can have. You can have this. Boston. I choose it.
No, you don't whine. These are Cody's. He's gonna give you what he wants to give you.
And you can have these.
2 crunches today. Just like give me this.
These are.
Cody, don't eat it all because
Who brought Cody, who brought the Skittles?
Oh, Mr. Harden bought it and was like, for your busy bucks, just get rid of all your cash money, and if you run out of your cash money, I'll use your Bojo money. It's like on the money that we earn, and each one is $5, and then I bought it with that.
Nice.
And I bought a bunch of passes.
You're gonna see it early, at least I think.
No, Lee's not coming.
Wait, Mom, what day do you think we'll go to Lee's?
I'm not sure.
But I think we are having a party.
Well, we are actually.
Who? Lady, out of the bathroom.
We're having a class
Lady, come.
party in the last day.
Only on Halloween, but we missed Halloween.
Okay, get the laundry done, guys.
Where'd it go?
I stopped doing that. Those thingy.
Just put it on their beds. Whoever's clothes they belong to, just put it on their beds. You don't have to fold them.
Fold McDonald's.
Except you boys. You boys have to put your things folded in your closet.
Did you like my hat I just got?
Yes. Did Daddy give that to you?
Yep. Today's task. Go check out that channel. We'll go put it in the link below. Like and subscribe.
Where'd Lady go?
Am I pretty?
There you are.
Let the puppies breathe.
What? Where's that even from?
It's on the YouTube
No, it was like a TikTok.
It was like he put his
When did you see a TikTok?
You showed us it.
Oh, which one?
So
He
he
likes-
puts his foot down and then he rips open his sock and he said, "Let the puppies breathe." And it was,
Oh,
and it was his pose.
yeah.
Yeah, and I wish it showed like little dogs like.
Okay, Link, grab some clothes and get them put away.
Lady, no, no, stop, no socks.
Okay, Lincoln, please go put those away. Let the puppies breathe.
Let the puppies breathe. Let Lady
Boston,
breathe.
go put this in a room.
Nikki, did you just throw them on the closet floor?
Well, I don't know.
Go fold them now. Yes, you do. Go fold them now.
Number 1.
Don't grab the laundry. Linky, go take the garbage out. Go take the garbage out.
How does it throw a treat?
Let me get.
Arr.
Mom, I saw an experiment in science.
Nice.
Hi, bud.
I'm wearing your hat.
Oh,
We have
yeah,
matching hats.
matching hats, bud. That's fun. Hi, puppy. Okay. I'm right here. I'm right
We
here.
packed all the bags.
I'm right here. Okay. Well, okay.
How was your day?
Oh, good. I got rained out up there.
Did you not finish your video?
I finished my video, but I didn't finish the project.
Oh.
So that'll work. It'll be alright.
And he was like, where is it? And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go home. Where's my keys? My egg! You get to
Oh, dang it, she grabbed food. Oh,
Yeah, I dropped one. I told her to grab it.
she has hands?
I can grab
I
it.
hate when she brings it in here and eats it in here. Thank you. Does she have water? Lady, you know that's naughty to bring that in the house.
Bend over.
She's like, but it's warm inside.
Huh? Bend over for 10 seconds. Eggs.
She's smarter.
You just jump over my boots?
I'm so unruly.
You want to try to make me laugh?
We saw a thing the other day online, the reason, like about quirky dog behaviors, and they say that some animals take their food away from where they get it from, just as like a way to protect their food. It's like her instinct, because no one's actually trying to take her food away from her. But she takes each piece and goes and eats it on its own. She's done that since the day she got here.
Oh my goodness. I want to go back and watch all of her lady's puppy vlogs.
That would be
Well,
fun.
after dinner, we should go watch all of her puppy vlogs.
We can do that.
Under bed.
We can do that. You guys got to eat.
I ate. I finished.
It's quite the eventful Friday night, Joel.
My kind of Friday night.
I know, actually, Oh, lady,
I just heard like something like moving in my room.
Probably a 6-year-old boy.
No, I wasn't moving.
Like what? Like a mouse? A dog?
Something bigger.
I think the kids are being really noisy downstairs.
Yeah,
Lady,
Way too.
It could
Lady.
be rain.
could be the rain.
Oh, probably rain.
Definitely could be the rain. Get your toys and go put them in your room. Think he'll fit?
No, I don't want this.
Oh, sorry. Here you go. Here. Okay, good night.
It's heavy and a little hard.
Yeah, good night. Guess we're gonna close the vlog the way we do every night. Lady in between us, huh, Joel?
Mm-hmm.
Except usually it's more like this.
Yeah, watch what happens.
When we get cozy, we'll watch our show and she will fall right asleep upside down right between us.
Mm-hmm.
Good night, lady.